siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikamamini siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst.
Sibonene nonke ababukalandeli besiringa ngediski Venda nengekule Thando babiza uthi Mashangwa Venda nakona le ya Giyani mtavita hinkwayo matematiko ya n'wina nani Natali nzobiza honke ikoti zenu sipheleleni lilo lako Lesotho ku tshora la mohela uri lishebele podcast ya runa ya siringa ngediski ngata kakhulu sikhuluma ngebhola, the happenings in our African football.
Mr. Mzerewa, you remember last time, I think it was you, City Iskwati, Nodilasi, we are not depending ukuthi team enjani fanele iwin or ilose ukuthi sikhona qualify. It was you, Mr. Mzerewa.
Yeah, we have to play.
Yeah, ukuthi abafana bano bona bafaka amagoli.
Yeah, bazidlalele.
Hey, manje ngibona lento lena seyenzekele ke ukuthi manje fanele siminyo ngoba asiqualifyanga. Enhle kayi ukuthi asiqualifyanga asikoranga la kule game le eZimbabwe le.
So abafana, they did everything and they wanted that to win. They did everything, they wanted to win. Unfortunately, it wasn't our day. And our attack was more on them than them coming to us. So it's only that if inhlanhla ayikho and angeke forced ibe khona, you could see there were even fouls which were in our favor, but the referee couldn't pick that one up.
Yeah, we are big referee.
You understand? Unfortunately, I don't know that referee is a white man from where he comes from, and then his bookings, the cautions as they call it, they were not valid. For instance, you look at Mbokazi. And the referee came with a mission from us, at least if one can get a red card.
Yeah. I know. So vele ngibona uMbokazi ngibonile ukuthi umfana yadlala, but for my side ngibona ukuthi ufanele ukuba abe disciplined.
The boy did everything for the country to be where we wanted it to be.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, if it's not your day, it's not your day. If an accident, Ebola. They were just physically on us. And the referee didn't have mercy. They were where we should call a player and warn him, look, if you do this, this will happen. But look at the crowd that was there. So immediately when he played, he cut. So if you can check, but there was no need for our Mbokazi to be given the second yellow card. Because yes, because
so vele since mina ngibona Grand I saw ukuthi kule game lena kahle ama contrabaya alusi South Africa because iZimbabwe imatch ingakapheli ngibone seba celebrate ngebheleni ukuthi ya lead ya win ngada. So I was like, how kusase not while abantu ba celebrate, do they celebrate for other team kahle labantu from Africa Grand abayifuni South Africa.
Mamela uTuchafunya ngomunye eminyaka saphila, may he so rest in peace. Aditamsero wena uzofela ukulunga wena. Meaning uzofela ukulunga. That is what is happening with South Africa. How many players are working here, are generating the money here in South Africa? How many players are supporting their families back home from the money in our country? Look at this Kaitano Tembo. How many years it's been here? Yeah, and as a coach who is here, his life is here, everything is here. Uhlulwe yini ukuthi akhulumisana nabantu bafowethu bhekani sihamba la. Ayikuthi ebholweni akhulunyiswana. Kuyakhulunyiswana emabholweni. Ayasayahamba ama-envelope anikezwe abantu bafowethu akube so kube mnandi. Into abangayi-attesta aboJomo bayayazi leyo. You understand? So that is why bona ukuthi i-structuring sethu South African football. Hey chief, there's a lot going on wrong. You look at the president himself. Akazi nix ngebhola. Ubuya le kule nhlangano. Wamfaka lapha ngena lapha. You look at Safa Soweto. You can't even go to the grounds of Bukeli. Sekuyintwana. Where the senior players teams, where the PSL teams can come and recruit. There's no way.
True. Ngoba ngizwe noTatafi naye ngathi bane something afuna ukuyikhuluma yaka Jomo Thobibonile. Uthi skipper ndaTatafi.
Yeah, njengoba kunjani coach?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Asiyajabula ukuba nawe.
Ngiyabona
isikhathi. Lalela ke coach. Mani ngisosi yami ngiyezwa labathi hayi umjomane ngathi uyakhala impela uthi hayi lento hayi yeba bafana ukuzithathela ama points ne3 goals. Hayi into ekukhelesi nje eyenzeke ku squad sasekhaya. So i-team manager fanele ibe accountable for lonto le. Angazi noma iqiniso ukuthi u-right lapho ukuthi ngiyenzeka lonto le noma wena uyibona kanjani coach?
That's why bethi babememeza uJoma ama commentator bathi inkosi yami. Yabona le nkosi leyana yalazi idiski. And omunye usifanele nomzorewa nje bamcindezela ngoba unevar. You understand? Ngoba unevar and they sit and gang against him. You understand? So what I'm saying now is that what my understanding is the coach liaise with the secretary of the team. That is why when I'm a coach, they don't talk about players' injuries. The doctor tells about the players' injury. Same with this thing of a yellow card, whereby it's the manager, he umsebenzi wayo. Ukutoka ama-tracksuit bahlale ebenchini bagibela ama-aeroplane balale emahotela. Ispanisa ukuthi basebenzisane ne-coach uTeman Pega lapha nasimanga grant sizolimala ungarisk ufake lo muntu. And these things bayazikhuluma njalo igame ayiphela so and so accumulated so many yellow cards. And the makudlala ama-games so crucial. Babheke noma yini engayenzakala. It might not be only Lesotho, even other countries. Look at these Shona people. Look at them. I mean, bayasidla no bebe ngasidla 10 or 15 bebe ngeke ba qualify abayindawo. Understand? Abomsebenzi ukukhapha nje ukuthi abakhona la. But yini enza ukuthi baze bakhiphe namazi balume namazinyo mabedlala against thina yet bayabo ukuthi thina sifuna ukuyongena masingena lapha si representani iAfrica nabo bayiphathi and yibo futhi abagcwele la ekhasi yethu labantu laba abasicindezela abasikhipha isinkwe emlonyeni.
Yabo plus mina bengicabanga ukuthi Nigeria nje kuphela esilwa nayo. Mase ngibona iZimbabwe ngithi ibhele ngathi sesilwa nabantu bonke.
Hayi ngathi silwa nabantu bonke. IMzansi iphethe yonke into Nkosi, yonke into la.
Yeah.
Look at their players. How many players from African countries are here? From previous. Ebesuka le fike lana lingazi next. Manje seba styling. Look at Pirates. They've opted to do away with those people. Banzani sebabheka lapha ku development. I'm happy now that the Chiefs now misawala they are about to follow ngabo Vilakazi. Lentwana ezincane. Ayike ukuthi sibe right. Abambi sonke sisale thina sizenzela into yethu simeseyo so because bayasazela bayasazi.
And when the stadium besigcwele kanjani?
You understand?
Ngizweni last man isho ithi ngathi labantu laba iZimbabwe South Africa bheka bagcwalisa stage stadium kanjani?
Chief ngibuye Jozi manje. Kumile stand still. Ababhayisi lento zalapha bathu kwamadunusa. You understand? They're frustrated. You understand? As they frustrated us on Friday. You understand? Which is fine. God bless them. Tina, if like still on side with have skibel aeroplane, but we kibela bafana aeroplane next year. Agna stress. Aeroplane but we kibel. What I like about South SA now, which is Bafana, their coach has got confidence, Baba. That is not looking at one player, he's looking at the players who are willing and dying for the team, for the country. You understand? If you can check, so kuba nalento ukuthi man makungasuka lo mbokazi ngoba yinkinga lena asibasuseni lo and then utholi red card they were celebrating. The score ended up 0-0. They were celebrating for what? We understand. So ngisaphinda mina akulungisweni istructure sesafa yonke makalungisa istructure sesafa amanye ama-country ama-president amabhola abantu bebedlala abo edo ama-president e-country la ngoba bebedlala idiski. So la thina sinot Jordan asitholeni i-development yakhe ukuthi uqale kuphi ubuyaphi ubheke yonke nje technical team elaphana i-most yabasibazi umkhelele siyamazi udlalile ku-Pirates udlalile ku-Cosmos une-history ngediski yethu laba abanye abosiduma ngabanye babuyaphi Idiski lethu libulawa nje ukuthi nje umuntu wafika wakhuluma isilungu esiphezulu abantwana be-theory nini entanda theory yibo abasicedayo labantu laba practical asiyazi baningi abantu abakhona la ediskini. I'm happy for SABC ibuyisa amajita ngibone nalo mfana bedribble abantu kakhulu we-number 15 we-Pirates uqalinge is part of the commentators umhlongo. Well done SABC, at least niyasigayi isipane nangathi lapho niwasuse nalapho kube abantu basemzansi abazinto yasemzansi. Ngiyayibonga kakhulu SABC ishaya isipane sigrand sokubuyisa amajita egamini le abayaziyo. Ukhuluma nomuntu ngebhola alaziyo, ukhuluma ngeplayer ebuyekazi.
So Mr. Mzerewa, ngifuna u-understand like manje njengoba sidrowile ukuthi siqualify fanele kwenzakaleni.
To be honest with you, bathini lento le green le Nigeria le. I'm told, I don't know, I'm not interested again. I'm told mabengalimala lesikhuphuke ngapha simnandi, but abasiyeli fair kangako. Bengifunda nje something ye coach laphana ukuthi he's not stressed or worried. If you win so ithola. I mean, like I'm saying, football goes with like fana nemedi intanda. Thola imedi right, life goes. Thola nje trouble yemedi uhlala ne stress awindawo na ibhola linjalo.
Ngibonile vele nayo no chef ukuthi beba stresseka uthi ufuna ukushaya ibhola liha.
Uye lento kuye ufuna ukulwela imhlaba wethu country yethu, you understand? So yilento engithi kuwe icoach etiphetha amajita ayabheka pana ayakhavarelana and bayalunokha which is good, you understand? But now once more if bobheka bebe park ibus bebe parka le bus nje ukuthi singagibeli thina, you understand? So you understand thina bebe ngafuni isigibeli aeroplane bafuna bona laba bamnyama njengabo kube babaligibela ngithina nala perfume nanuka kahle nikeza ngala lamanzi nikeza ngawo. So abafunda abantu laba. So isafa nje mayingalungisa nje istructure yona self isafa siqale manje mawufika le moyo bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani leso sikhathi la mawufisa lapha eFNB mawe yakho abesikhona mari yothola security nje mawufana ungene bazokufuna ipass nesipenseli
lokutshela nje
isiye we stadium uyavinjwa mara dala sidlala biyolanda kusamazenge dala sidlala.
I know ngiyabona ukuthi no grand le nto leyo ukukhuluma ama envelope agijima kuma rev agijima kuma manager agijima yonke indawo ukuthi ayasibulalela because mina ngi-understand ngibona ngathi manje all these countries bafuna iSouth Africa ukuthi lose and I fail to understand why.
Nishoda ngani South Africa?
Shoti ngani?
Yeah, so why my country nawe ingayenzakali? Niyalamba nina?
No.
Anilambi, bayalamba labantu. You understand? So yonke into inhle la. That is why uzomabetha amaklapaza ngapha. Yo, kubo baya overseas. You understand? And abantu uyabeza noma baba interviewer ukuya ngaye nje ngathi angathola umzalo wanamadapter abomntanakhe wala. Ngoba le country yethu imnandi na yonke into. It's only that nje ngiyacela mina. I know there are some of the senior officials who are watching this. Bobaba Mthetho abo Robert Marau. Machitane eqinisa ibeka kanjalo ivar baruva. Bambekelele. Because yini ula fana nami. Understand? So that is why ngithi nami nje ngiyinkinga yonke indawo. Nama abantu kunama meeting athize ngavela nje agenda ya change.
Ngabona nenye clip yakaTLB lo mfana la yana bangikhumbuza wena bamveze ngepotrisi babona ukuthi ngathi hey konje Mr. Mzerewa kayi naye mawathi hayi inyawo lilala ukuthi hayi inyawo liyashaya.
Mamela mina bengidlala ibhola but mina bengidlala ibhola. May his soul rest in peace. Uscreama wayengifuni iseseyishusha nepiano isaqala. But ngoba uBrastene beshayana into engizothi ngingayile kwa mina ngiyalahla ngithi ebezongibamba ngesicima into yakhe beke bashala play Sundowns la bebe overseas bonke nabafazi bawo bebeyiphaka lapha uBrastene
because iyo lento bengifuna ukubuza ngayo ukuthi mina ngidala uyibheki idisc mesidlala alabo coach bashayana like mana no khona enye clip ngayibona ku TikTok i-coach ibiza enye intwana i-goalkeeper la ngene ground ivele emshange empama abantu kuma-comment bathi awungakhumbuli leskipa so mina angiremind ukuthi isani konje kudala umuntu mabadlala idiski bokhona ukwazi ukuthi akhona abo-Steven le izokushaya uma ucala ukuthi nje uyaluza or udlala elinye team inokukulanda nje egroundini qhumisele ngempama ukhiphe istrip khona manje usiye la uphume nge-underpan ugcoke
ugcokambi ekhaya so uyabona le nto le wena chief that's why ngithi i-theory simoshile imoshe yonke into yethu you understand because ngiya-understanda ubunzima obulapha egroundini for i-player that is why ngikwazi uku-understanda but ngoba right ngawefrustani and ubheke the most eleyatsotsi ezishaya abantwana yilezi ezithi mayiselanini iblomile ibhema le nto yenu le understand of which angina-problem nokubhema mina ngisaseyi-coach abhutafi bengibathengela insanga abafana bami I used to buy them and abaphuza ibhiya after game ngizobathengela that's me you can ask my players understand because into yakhe uyayithanda usacrifice isikhathi sakhe wayeka into zakhe for mina as a coach ukuthi iklabhu ibonakale igama lami lini ligqame as a coach you understand so I don't promote or condone them official athuka ama-player ashaya ama-player that's out that's out you don't do that le nto bezenzakala kudala lokuya manje ungathi mangokukhomba nje uyongenzela i-court order uyayichecka that so those coaches who are arrogant personally that's why ngingasayi egroundini zothola i-coach ibiza umntana ngenhlambe serious and then make fike ekhaya uthini
ngifuna ukuthi next week ngiyocala ngizame ukuthi sikhulume ngamakroko last week bengibheka amakroko la ngibheke iBarcelona nalo ngabonisa uTatafi la sibheke bekudlala iReal Madrid ne ya mina bengibheke abo Neymar la nosibheka abo Real Madrid abo Ronaldinho asashanga umkhaba mara kagijinyo namabhola namagoli ngisho ngithi man finally at least sometimes isikhabela ama game lawa wala ama player ngoba akasekho enona
kakhulu nakho into esinejabulele usibona ngiyenzeka nalapho so bathatha ama ethu na retire ahlale nje akwazi ukuthi ahlala sejini abe ngoba right kuze kuyofa
to be honest with you iligi yethu ikhona as much as mawe ground ifanele ngithwale ID manje to prove ukuthi for real ngiyadeserve ukudlala la so what made me to stop playing angeke ngiyogijimana nentwana na 20 years ngabiyodlala leli kini zogijimisana nathi thina esikhathele you understand but mangifilana amandla nolinda Buthelezi like ithi ngiyayibeka you understand uBilly mangena ukhona ngapha uBilly you understand amahrotmani sewahrota ama-pensioner njengathi you understand ibhola imnandi kanjalo but mangizocompete nentwana ezogijima iphelele mina ngingaka wiwa kuphi afowethu wiwa kuphi akhona ama-masters coming back to lama-croc we don't say croc ama-masters amajidabhek i-pirates inama-masters wayo our chiefs akhona banokuyithathe kudala if ingabuya futhi naku-PSL dali kudala bekunokufakwa ama-masters early ucwala estadium badlala ayibengakubiza ucoach bowuziyele elayinini angizokhathela usakhona kumnandi bajabulile abantu kutsho nayiye kasi siyazama uku-implementa lali but the problem is yile ntwana lezi yile nto bekhulunywa u-Andile Mthethwa vandag focus le ntwana sifocusanga ziba busy nale nto zazo mazibhorekile sande siyodlala thina sijabulile sibiza abantu bethu bazosibukela akungena zona zimosha lo baba omnandi loyana so it's true ama-masters they must come back they must be there they must be active yabona uvuka ugijime come Sunday uyenza something it's not like last nizile lapha ephiri ngingenile ngadlala 10 minutes but ngibe man of the match ngidlala itayile ezinye nje coach usaseblind ikimi lento heyami
next time kule show soba bambela ama-clip lapho ungene khona udlala
hayo abazokutshela bangazi namanje Sunday kunelinye iphoyisa nje angilazi lathi coach usacoach angithi mina manje ngibeke is a warrant officer this guy and baze nomunye ongihlukumezayo so manje ngidelelo manje le warrant officer le ibambe li1 coach usacoacha na itshela labanye ithi le nkosi blind yebi nama player blind that had to make me ukuthi I must humble myself before the warrant officer then I ended up doing the right thing.
Thank you, Chief.
Yes,
thank you.
Yes,
Same story. Messi this, Ronaldo that. Can we eat first?
my team is pure, your team's a joke. I roll my eyes as the Petra provokes. He's got stats, got memes, got clips on his phone, replaying that goal like it's carved in stone. He calls it passion, I call it obsession. But when he talks, there's fire, no question. From the couch to the bar, he's a superstar, coaching his dreams with fantasy teams. And I just dance while he rants and chants. It's a love affair with 11 men in the air.
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostan diski adlale diski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yibongikijane laba.
Every day, same story. Messi this, Ronaldo that. Can we eat first?
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky supreme. Sirinang Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Sirinang Disky, ah ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio they go. Go, 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 I caramba no. Sirinang Disky, that's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just the scoreline. Did you see that red card like its headline? He says, my team is pure, your team's a joke. I roll my eyes as the Petra